How to use Microsoft OneNote. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Microsoft OneNote easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. After you go to your OneNote, this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to write something, all what you have to do is click on the screen and then write anything from here as you can see. And if you want to edit the text and change the colors or something, just do this, select it, and you can change the size from here. As you can see, you can change the colors easily, and from here, as you can see, you can also change many options from here. And if you want to insert photos, pictures or videos, or even record your voice, all what you have to do is simple. Go here, click on insert, and from here you can insert table if you want. As you can see, you can insert a table like this. You can, for example, upload pictures like this. As you can see, you can choose a picture easily and fast, and you have many options here. You can record audio from here, you can add link, and also you can draw if you want from here easily and fast. It's so easy to use as you can see, and so professional. And yeah, after you finish, all what you have to do is simple. You can save what you just wrote it here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.